Let me assure you that we will positively impact the daily experience of Jamaicans with public investment expenditure designed to solve pain points. Some of these will be financed by the government and some by the private sector by way of structured transactions. The public investment program will deliver well over $1 trillion of infrastructure expenditure over the next 5 years, inclusive of this year and inclusive of expenditure by PPPs. Roads and bridges and public parks, hospitals, schools, water, sewage, irrigation systems, houses, tax offices, courthouses, buses, garbage trucks, digital infrastructure, IT systems, and highways. It will be the greatest expansion of public investment that we have seen, geared towards improving public services. And every minister of government is involved, and we're all working assiduously on your behalf. Police station, equipment for the police. These projects span the full breadth of ministries. $1 trillion of public investment over the next 5 years. It's only financially feasible if we maintain our credit rating, because the government can't do it all. The government can only, our program is public. The fiscal policy paper has $500 billion of capital expenditure over the next 5 years. To get the rest, we have to be able to structure transactions that can get private financing, and the private financing, those projects become feasible, the lower the cost. So today, there are public investments that are feasible that were not before. And we intend to leverage this ability to bring these projects to life for the benefit of the people. During the past year, we have made significant progress with the International Finance Corporation in the development of a public-private partnership for the expansion of the North Coast Road that we had spoken about in previous years. In 22-23 fiscal year, we signed a financial advisory services agreement with IFC, and the required due diligence studies have been carried out, and the project has been advanced to the stage that we expect to issue a request for qualification and information this year, with the selection and announcement of pre-qualified bidders next year. If all goes well, Madam Speaker, we could have final bidder selection by the end of 2025. This is a property that will involve an investment of approximately $650 million US or $100 billion at the current exchange rate. A visible way of using Jamaica's hard-earned economic stability in the people's interest is by improving public services that all citizens have to use, such as tax offices. By 2027, Tax Administration Jamaica is expected to have invested more than $11 billion in capital projects to modernize and upgrade existing tax offices and construct new tax offices across the length and breadth of Jamaica. Christiana Tax Office, 52% completed. Project cost $760 million overall. The Mandeville Revenue Center, TJ has leased the property. The initial procurement failed. We're going back again and hoping construction will start in the upcoming fiscal year. Total project cost of $953 million. The Montego Bay Revenue Center, extensive modernization upgrade, $2.4 billion to upgrade the Montego Bay Revenue Center. There'll be a brand new tax office for the people of Brownstown. The property has been purchased. NWA and other professionals have been engaged, and it's moving to the next stage of design and approvals. $930 million. The land for the Santa Cruz tax office has been purchased. Initial estimates is that this project will take $920 million. This is a multi-year project, Madam Speaker. By 2027, could be 2028, we expect all of this to be done. The Anata Bay tax office is undergoing a renovation, Madam Speaker, and refurbishing. In Portmore, the Tax Administration Jamaica is building a brand new tax office for the people of Portmore. The TAJ will go ahead with the land that is acquired, and the Portmore tax office will be built at a cost of $1.9 billion. I want to show you the Crossroads Tax Office and Business Center. The Crossroads Tax Office is outer space. The lines extend outside the building, onto the sidewalk, and bend around the building. This is not acceptable, Madam Speaker. The tax office is one of the busiest. TAJ has acquired property in Crossroads, part of the Natal lands, Natal, where TAJ will construct an 8-story full-service tax office and business center with underground and surface parking large enough, spacious enough to accommodate the tax-paying public who use Crossroads. This will be done at a cost of $2.3 billion. Even as we do this, we're working to improve the TAJ portal. On a scale of 1 to 10, user friendliness is probably 7 or less. It's true. We've heard the complaints from customers, and we intend to ensure in the near future taxpayers have a better experience. We are absolutely serious about leveraging the hard-earned stability Jamaica enjoys for the benefit of the Jamaican people.